How to turn on Siri on the iPad. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you would need to do to turn on Siri is to open up the Settings app. Then on the left side here, navigate to Siri and search. Now here on the right side, the first thing you will notice is that there is no turn on button or toggle. However, turning on Siri is really simple. All you need to do is to tap on where it says here listen for, and then either choose Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri to turn on Siri. Wow, that sounded a little bit confusing, right? But yes, you can just choose one of these options here and then you can just simply talk to Siri. So let me demonstrate. So in my case, I'm going to choose Siri or Hey Siri. You will also need to confirm this here. And you will then get to this quick setup here. After we tap here on continue, we will actually need to talk a few sentences to successfully set Siri up. So let's do that. I press on continue and then I will start speaking these sentences that Siri will ask me to. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send me a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And that's it guys, even with my heavy German accent, Siri didn't have any trouble to understand me. Pretty awesome, right? So the last step for us is to simply tap on done here, and we're good to go. Now when I go back to the home screen, for example, I can simply start talking to Siri. So let's try that. Hey Siri, please open up App Store. And just like that, Siri assisted me with that task. Awesome. Let's do that one more time.
That may be beyond my abilities at the moment.
Siri, could you please open up the Settings app for me? And as you can see, this works perfectly fine. You can obviously ask a lot of other things as well. For example, I could ask, hey Siri, what's the weather today in Biel, Switzerland?
Expect cloudy skies in Biel today. Daytime temperatures will hover around -2 degrees, with overnight lows around -7. By the way, if you have another request, you don't need to say Siri before you ask it.
Interesting. And that's it guys, this is how you turn on Siri on the iPad. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPad tutorials.